Welcome to Tech Cadence. Today I'll be unboxing a case for my AirPods Max. I've had the AirPods Max for almost 2 years, and it's gotten to the point where I don't bring them on trips or don't bring them anywhere because I don't want to damage them. Because as expensive as they are, they didn't come with a case. My Bose QC35s came with this fantastic case that I've been able to take everywhere. It was about the cheapest case I found on Amazon, but it had great reviews. So let's see what it looks like. Wow, it is big. It's stupidly big. But that doesn't mean it's bad. All right, let's get it open. Okay. It's big. So here's my Bose QC35 case. You can see how much bigger. You can see how much bigger the AirPods Max case is. This case feels sturdy on the outside. Like, you're not gonna smash it from the outside. But because it's so big, it does have a little bit of push in the middle. I don't think that'll be that big of a deal. So let's see how it fits. Whoa, it's nice on the inside. Comes with, I think these are some sort of protective ear things. All right, so here we go. Okay. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Got my bag here. Let's say I'm going somewhere, I'm going to work. Right in, right in. Hey, I could not do that with the AirPods Max before. I was nervous as heck to put them inside of a bag. So I'm pretty happy about that. They do have this nice little handle, so probably I put them in with the handle, pull them out. I'm pretty happy about this. I'm happy about this purchase. Didn't break the bank. It was under $25. Super simple. Take it out, put it in. Seems like it will work well. I wouldn't have a problem taking the AirPods Max anywhere in this case. So it is huge, but that's because the AirPods Max don't fold. So the Bose QC35s, they fold, right? So that's why the case can be so much smaller. There's no folding. There's no folding the AirPod Maxes. I think this was going to work real well. So I'm quite happy about this. I always forget to get a case, and then all of a sudden my trip is happening and I go to put the AirPod Maxes into my bag and I'm like, oh wait, they're going to get destroyed. And then I have to leave them. So I won't have to leave them anymore. Anyway, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.